What if I told you that the reason you are struggling financially is not because you don't work hard, but because you were never taught the truth about money? Think about it. From childhood, we are told, study hard, get good grades, find a secure job. But nobody ever says, learn how money works. And that one missing lesson keeps millions of people trapped in the same financial cycle their entire lives. Today, I'm going to tell you a story that changed millions of lives around the world. A story inspired by the powerful lessons from the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This is not just a story. This is a wake-up call. The Boy with Two Fathers. There was once a young boy growing up in Hawaii. He had two father figures in his life. One was his real father, highly educated, respected, hardworking. The other was his best friend's father, less educated, but financially free and wealthy. Both men gave him advice. Both loved him. But their beliefs about money were completely different. His educated father would say, go to school, get a degree, find a secure job. His rich friend's father would say, learn how money works, and you will never have to work for money again. Two fathers, two mindsets, two completely different financial destinies. Lesson 1. The rich don't work for money. The first lesson shocked the boy. The poor and middle class work for money. The rich make money work for them. Think about your own life. You wake up. You go to work. You trade time for salary. At the end of the month, money comes and immediately goes to bills. Then the cycle repeats. This is called the rat race. The rich escape this race by building income that doesn't depend on their daily effort. Businesses, investments, assets. They focus on creating systems that generate income even when they sleep. Lesson 2. Financial education is power. In school, we learn math. We learn science. We learn history. But do we learn how taxes work? Do we learn how investments grow? Do we learn the difference between assets and liabilities? No. That is why even highly educated people can struggle financially. The rich focus on financial education. They read books. They study markets. They learn how money flows. Because knowledge about money is more powerful than money itself. Lesson 3. Assets versus liabilities. This lesson changed everything. Rich Dad explained it simply. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. Most people buy expensive cars to look rich. They buy big houses they can barely afford. They upgrade phones every year. They think they are building success. But in reality, they are increasing expenses. The wealthy focus on buying assets first. Rental properties, businesses, investments, things that generate income. Then, when assets pay for luxuries, they enjoy life without stress. Lesson 4. Fear is the real enemy. Many people say, I don't invest because it's risky. But staying financially uneducated is even riskier. Fear of losing money keeps people stuck. Fear of failure stops people from starting. Fear of judgment prevents action. Rich Dad taught that mistakes are part of learning. Every successful investor, entrepreneur, or business owner has failed. The difference? They learned and kept moving. Lesson 5. Work to learn, not just to earn. If you only work for salary, you will always depend on someone else. But if you work to learn skills, communication, leadership, sales, negotiation, you build power that no one can take away. Skills create opportunities. Opportunities create wealth. The real difference between rich and poor. The difference is not intelligence. It's not luck. It's not background. It's mindset. Poor mindset says, I can't afford it. Rich mindset says, how can I afford it? One question shuts the brain down. The other forces the brain to think. And that small shift changes your future. Imagine your future. Imagine waking up without financial stress. Imagine having income that continues whether you are working or resting. Imagine spending time with family without worrying about bills. That life is not a fantasy. It starts with changing how you think about money. It starts with financial education. It starts with taking action. The world does not reward hard work alone. It rewards smart work. It rewards financial intelligence. You have two choices today. Continue the cycle or break it. Start learning. Start investing in your knowledge. Start building assets. Because one day you will either say, I wish I had started earlier, or you will say, I'm glad I did. The decision is yours. If you found this story powerful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because your journey to financial freedom starts now.